Hi, this is Corey from Conquering the Chaos, and this is my video walkthrough of my digital gratitude journal. This is in the design of vintage sunset. In my shop, though, there are a couple other um, designs available, and hopefully getting a new design out every month. But this one again is vintage sunset. So after you download or make a copy of this spreadsheet, this is the first page. The instructions, which will definitely get you going and are just fine. But I like to take you through the rest of the journal or the spreadsheet myself. So let's go to the setup page next. On the setup page here, um, we find the things that are going to carry over through the entire month. So we're going to um, put in a monthly focus. We are going to put in our daily self care. We're going to put in our morning and evening routines because those don't change. You can always change them in the day um, itself. But if you put it here, it will carry over to every day of the month. So the first thing I guess that you would want to do is change the year. If we are in 2024 at this point, then go ahead and put 2024. You also can select your how you like your calendar to be because there is a calendar view here on the next page. You can select a Monday start or a Sunday start. I like a Monday start, so I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to put in a monthly focus just so we can see it carry over. Okay. And then I'm also going to add some things into the daily self care and the morning routine. So, like I said, we can see it um, carry over. Read one. Okay. Morning routine. I want to journal, breakfast, and I want to have some lemon water. Okay. And evening routine, I'm going to type in meditate, read. I want to have some green tea. Okay. Let's go on to the next page, which will be our monthly planner. You can fill this out. Um, you can change the month. So right now I'm in August, but I can change it to September and watch. So August has a Tuesday start day. And if I change it to September, it's going to change to September of 2023, and it has a Friday. The first day of September will be a Friday. So you can change that every month. And then you can just use this for, anything that you want to include in your gratitude journal. I mean, I don't know if you want to put like how many hours you slept here uh, within this calendar, or appointments, things that you go have going on. I don't think that it takes the place of a planner, but if there are things that should go along with your gratitude practice, then put them here. So that's that. Here is we're going to carry on to the first. So every day of the month is down here. They're all the same with the exception of the affirmation at the top. So here I'm going to go back to the first. See the monthly focus carried over to see my friends at least once a week. My daily self care, those all filled in. My morning routine and my evening routines filled in. The rest is up to you to fill in on a daily basis. And I would suggest doing it in the morning and in the evening, because you have this section here that's kind of like setting up your day, your main priorities, your top to dos, notes for the day. And then down here is kind of your evening portion of your gratitude. Today I'm grateful for, you can fill that in the morning, in the evening, but one thing I'm proud of, and then my favorite moment of the day. And then tomorrow I'm looking forward to. So, you can do this obviously however you want. It was just kind of, I just wanted to share my thinking a little bit of how it can be used. So, also at the top is your color for today's mood. So, say that you had a good day and you want to, I'm going to color that in green. Or say I'm not having a good day. Let me turn that back to white, and I want to make this one red. I'm going to change that right there to red. But then you can just click off all of these things. Well, did I read today? Yes. Did I take a bath? Yes. Did I eat tacos? Importantly, yes. And I watered the garden. And then you can tick off all of these as well, and they get crossed out as you tick them off. So that pretty much sums up the whole gratitude journal. Um, and then at the end, when you need to start a new month, you can just download a new copy and label it at the top, whatever month that it is, and file it away in your Google Sheets. That's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I would love to make another video to help clarify anything that I need to. So that's about it. Have a wonderful day.